B school dates were extended due to the coronavirus thing, and deadlines were extended by the colleges. Fine, but because of the deadline, there actually the number of applications have actually gone up. Yeah, the candidate took advantage of the school's extended deadline. In Seed College in Europe, see a 57% increase is in the number of application. I was thinking, I'm under the impression that application will go down, but here the applications are going up. Yeah, if you look at the other colleges as well, 13 colleges का data that they have taken at MBA Watch. IESC College in Barcelona have seen a 12% increase. MIT's Salon Business School have seen a 12% increase, and Rotterdam University School of Management in Netherlands saw 60% rise in the number of applications. Yeah, but please guys try to understand. I was under impression that market will go down this year. Market will go down because of coronavirus, but here the numbers are going up. So how you feel about this, whether the CAT application will go out up or not, please do comment. Yeah, I'm still under impression कि because अभी coronavirus का अभी आया है, तो I think I still feel the CAT number of application will be lower than last year, but because the coaching classes are not there, so lot of factors to not getting the books on time, so that could be one of the reason which can see a downfall. But how you feel, please do comment. Yeah, but one more thing to note is all these colleges are the top colleges. They are FT rankings top colleges, top 20 colleges. Yeah, so we can compare with India. IIM Ahmedabad ka application will never go down. IIM Ahmedabad ka application will obviously go up. All the IIMs, SP Jain, FMS will go up. Problem is going to be with the third grade or fourth grade colleges. All these low rank colleges are going to feel the heat instead of the top colleges. Yeah, that's my feel as well. So that's the question to all of you, whether number one, the CAT applicants will go down or up. Number two, what will happen to the low rank colleges? Yeah, low rank colleges which have an average salary of 3 lakhs, average salary of 4 lakhs, what will happen to them? For them, will the applications go down or not? Yeah, so that's a good news, very positive news coming up from the international level. And trust me, India follows these kind of things. For example, these trend, US stock market ऊपर जाता है, Indian stock market ऊपर आता ही आता है. सेम वे इफ द फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी का जो ट्रेंड चलता है, काफ़ी हद तक इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटीज आल्सो फॉलो द सिमिलर ट्रेंड. So how you feel about this? Please do comment. All the best.